up. Good, right. You put close the gap, right? Down. 1, 2. Now open the center line. Then from here. 1, 2. See this? Ease kick. Good. Let's see this. So it's 1, 2. Better. Then you turn this ball. Right. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Better. Any leg can shoot, yeah? So just close the gap. Open the center line. Better. Nice. That's good. Right? You're going to be turning into this, then this. Okay. That's very similar. Now step by step. Come. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3. See this? There should body movement there. 1, 2. Right from this, see? And the way I should shoot, I can shoot, I can go. 1, 2. No, good. Very good. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. Perfect. Let's listen for today.